This is a GAEB tender file used in German construction, GAEB 90. It contains cost estimates. You need GAEB software to read the line items. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read the tender. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium D8.3 file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. Any validation software will identify the D8.3 file under the General Uncommon File grouping. The data segments are defined according to GAEB 1990 data. The D83 file type stands for GAEB 1990 data format. It is used for the request for quotation phase, D83, of electronic data exchange in the German construction industry, defining the Bill of Quantities. Created by GAEB, Joint Committee for Electronics and Construction. The design is a proprietary, structured line-oriented text format used for transferring construction project item lists and quantities. For the D83 file type, GAEB Data Exchange XML from GAEB is a trusted and reliable source. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows lacks support for the format's old specifications, requiring specialized utilities. To force file access, right-click your D83 file and select Open With. If GAEB Data Exchange XML is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, use GAEB software. Open the file using GAEB Viewer or a compatible construction software, e.g. Allplan, Nemetschek. Next, check version. Ensure the file version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to XML/TXT. Use the software's export function to save the data as a universal format like XML or TXT. If earlier methods failed, it's clear the D83 file needs a more capable solution. Using the specialized tool is the right move to finally try and get this file opened. For reliable results, I highly endorse FileMagick. Its unique ability to instantly display contents, even from a corrupted D83 archive, makes it the ultimate solution. Find it at filemagick.com. This solution is designed for maximum speed. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.